Good afternoon, Professor Valdez. I'm Francisco Alan, and my work is about the correlation of patient-reported outcome with endoscopy and histological features in ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease patients. This study is a cross-sectional study, and the population is all the patients in the clinical center of Serbia and Belgrade, and the sample is 159 people, 96 with ulcerative colitis and 63 with Crohn's disease. The aim of our study was to determine possible association between a two items probe based on stall frequency and rectal bleeding. PRO2, an endoscopy and histological activity in patients with ulcerative colitis and colonic Crohn's disease. The hypothesis. The null one for me is there is not correlation between patients' reported symptoms and endoscopy and histology activity of the disease. Alternative, there is a correlation between patients' reported symptoms and endoscopy and histology activity of disease. The results. No significant differences were found between patients with different disease extension of UC in respect of NS and histological activity. And the conclusion were the main endoscopy activity in this is a practical tool which could be used for objective assessment of mucosal healing in UC. However, results for our study have not shown such a correlation between values of the SES-CD score and histological activity. Thank you so much.